Welcome to an extraordinary coastal paradise where comfort blends with tranquility in an exclusive beachside community. Welcome to the Mentigi Point. Imagine waking up every morning to the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore, feeling the gentle sea breeze brushing against your skin, and enjoying breathtaking ocean views from the comfort of your own home. Located in Barangay Aguho, Daanbantayan, at the tip of mainland Cebu, the Mentigi Point boasts of more than 500 meters of pristine white sand beach, crystal clear turquoise waters, and glorious sunsets that will take your breath away. Here, you can wake up at dawn to meet the arriving fishermen with their night's catch and indulge in seafoods all you want, cooked or otherwise. Every day can feel like a vacation as you engage in the endless water activities, including swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, or simply relaxing under the warm sun. For the adventurous, the islands of 𝘋𝘪𝘴𝘏 and Malapascua are just a boat ride away, waiting to be explored. In addition to the breathtaking surroundings, the Mentigi Point also features an impressive array of world-class amenities for residents to enjoy. From the palm tree-lined boulevard to landscaped gardens, swimming pool, a basketball court, an outdoor gym to rejuvenate your body and mind, a commercial strip, and many more. Socialize with neighbors and friends at the clubhouse or host memorable gatherings in our outdoor barbecue areas and picnic spots. The Mentigi Point is just a kilometer away from the Daanbantayan Astrodome and Cebu Technological University, while modern malls in Bogo City and even the upcoming airport in Medellin are just a short drive away. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own a wonderful home in the Mentigi Point, whether as a primary residence, a vacation retreat, or an investment property. This is coastal living at its finest. Contact your broker now to secure your slice of paradise in the Mentigi Point.